I have to be warn you guys that this vlog may kulangot ako. Hindi ko napansin upon reviewing my vlog. Nakita ko yung ilong ko ba, laki ng butas ng ilong ko. Tapos parang may nakita akong kulangot. Sana napansin ko lang, sabi ko, oh my god, ang laki ng kulangot. Hope you guys portahan niyo pa rin ako kahit laki ng kulangot. Inokto ko ba? Nag-iisip ako, may nakalimutan pa ba ako? Bad habit ko rin, hindi ako naglilista. Kailangan i-change ko na yung habit ko. Dapat maglista na talaga ako para hindi ko makalimutan yung mga kailangan kong bilhin. Parang lagi na ako dito sa sa car mag-start ng vlog. Maybe because I'm relaxed, I'm out. Whereas sa bahay, lagi na ako nakaganito. Ganito ba? Nakatiko ko. Ano yung nakatiko ko man sa Tagalog? Yung bad habit na nakaganito yung paa. So, yung murag tangkag man ko tanaw. Sa shadow siguro ba? I'm here at Waitrose grocery shopping. And I thought, I don't really wanna go home. I-remove ko nga ito. Yan. I'm not sure. Maybe let's do a haul while I'm talking to you guys in the car. So, Waitrose hauls. So, we have pork mince. And then, biglang nag-haul. Wala sa plan. And then, we have a broccoli tender stem, which is I love. I think I'm the only person love this one, but although my son wants to eat this one kasi gusto ko, pinapakain ko sila ng broccoli. Kumakain naman. Tamad haul to tamad haul. Kasi nakataas pa yung paa natin. And then we have pork chop. This is my husband and my son dinner tonight. My husband loves pork. And then Actimel yogurt for their everyday health gut. And then we're having mushroom to go with the pork chop. Some aroma for our cooking. I don't know where I'm gonna use it, but it's handy. And then we have potato. Yung potato hindi nawawala talaga to kasi although I'll give my family a rice, but my husband prepared a potato. And then I saw this one half price, so I thought, why not? Hair mask is from L'Oreal. This one for a colored hair, which is I have. Minsan kasi nagkukulay ako. And then this is my dinner or lunch. Yung rice ko actually kaon, rice cooker ko. Okay lang naman yun kasi sandali lang naman ako. Hindi naman ako mag-out. Ibalik natin to para makita niyo ako ba. Ganito ako sa bahay tapos laging naka-coffee or naka-cup of tea, tapos watching TikTok. Some YouTubers that I followed and watch, that love to watch, mostly is fashion creator or lifestyle blog. The reason why I'm watching because I want to learn from them. I want to learn from the expert. I want to continue vlogging not because for monetary purposes. My main reason why I have to vlog, I want to practice how I speak and how I speech, and also to yung para mawala na yung pagka-mumbling ko. Kasi may problema ako sa speaking. Although it's not really a big problem. I mean, I get used to it. Especially my accent. My accent is never gonna go away. It's going to be forever. My accent's gonna be with me. And I'm not ashamed about it, you know. I'm proud being Bisaya accent. And no ashamed about that. Some people, although nawawala yung accent nila when they learn their English. But for me, kahit ang sobrang tagal na ako sa Scotland, yung accent ko andi dito pa rin. Ay lalong lumala kasi yung Scottish language matigas din, katulad ng Bisaya. So lalong tumigas yung pagkabisaya ko staying here in Scotland for over 2 decades. By the way guys, it's nearly 2 o'clock. Pero ngayon lang ako magbe-breakfast. Parang fasting yung ginagawa ko. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Ayan o, minamadali ko na kasi gutom na ako. See? I have nothing on since this morning. Did I? Maybe water. Or maybe I lied. I had coffee. Yeah, that's all. And then coffee and water. That's it. Yeah, minamadali ko lang to. Of course, rice is life. That's it. This is our lunch, breakfast. Oh, sorry. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, I'm not shy with my rice. I can afford to eat rice, guys. Kasi rice is my source of energy. And then, pagulay tayo kunwari. Yeah. And magkakamay ako. And I don't think I will show in the internet I'm eating by my hand. It's just me. I'm gonna enjoy this. And see you later. Right guys, in the kitchen again. So, dinner is all prepared. Lutuin na lang siya. Marinated with Cajun powder, Italian herbs. What else? Magic syrup. Kunting magic syrup. Tapos yung potato natin, ano na rin siya, malapit ng kumulo. And it is now 3:36 in the afternoon. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Grab yourself a cup of tea. I think this vlog is going to be chatty vlog. And I'm not busy. And I don't know what to do. If you watch my vlog, we recently renovated our bathroom toilet. And that's over a month ago. And until to this days, our bathroom still not finished. Still need a toilet holder, shampoo holder, you know, like toiletries holders, the one that you just pile up your stuff in the shower. That one we need. And then mirror to be fitted. What else? Oh, the door frame finishing. Because, you know, anak po ako ng joinery and builder's daughter, which is my father. Yung ama ko kasi, nagbe-build yun ng houses. Parang contractor ba yung papa ko? Magaling yun when it's come to, you know, houses and everything. One thing for sure, yung finishing ng edges ng door, ng mga kung ano-ano, hindi siya flawless. It's bugging me every time I sit down on a toilet and then nasa harap ka ng pintuan. Tapos yung finishing ng toilet ay kampat. Ano ba yung kampat? It's messy. That one I'm not happy about. Actually, I'm happy to do it on my own kasi I can do DIY naman. So, meron na akong something on mind. Kung hindi nila ipipix yan, ako talaga ang mag-a-action yan. Sinabi ko na yan sa asawa ko na, let me do it myself and I will show them how to do it. Yung nakakairita ba, siguro yung contractor nakuha ng asawa ko ay hindi siya masyadong not caring. You know, like, he just want to earn money whenever he want to earn money. Kaya siguro pinaglalaruan niya kami. Bayad na po siya, lahat-lahat. So, ang mahal-mahal. Tapos, meron pa silang nabutas yung kitchen ceiling namin, which is, I'm going to insert a cutaway. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nila na ano yan na fix. And that's another thing. Ito nga ngayon, Tuesday, nag-promise na naman na darating daw. By the way, nakapajama pa tayo kasi I just woke up. It's just, I think it's 8:30. Normally, I woke up later than that if I have nothing to do kasi nga, you know, like, why not? Yung weather namin today, guys, super init. Rare lang to mangyayari dito sa Scotland. Ang dami ko nang nilabhan kahit ayaw kong maglaba. Naglaba na lang ako ng mga bedsheet. Ayan, no? Ito. Tapos na to. Tutupiin na lang. At syempre, nagluluto na naman tayo. Today's ulam is giniling Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo kung paano lutuin. Alam nyo yung giniling sa atin sa Pinas. Siyempre, my own giniling. I added some twist on it. Para maging signature ko. Agay, nasobrahan yata ng paminta guys. Patay. Naku po. Naka-hair treatment pala tayo guys. Yung ano ba, yung ito oh, ito. Ayan. Babad ko lang to. I guess, ibabad ko siya whenever I'm ready to wash my hair. Hindi ko na binasa kung ilang minuto. Basta, ang alam ko, ibabad ko siya until I'm ready to go shower tonight. And this is what I used. L'Oreal. Naka-sale lang kasi to guys, kaya binili ko na. So, dahil nakapagluto na tayo, I'm having my snack. Snack ako sa afternoon guys. Kasi nga, hindi na ako nagdi-dinner. Yung dinner ko, bali, between 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Nagpa-fasting ako, pero marami ako kumain. As in, isang bandihado. Bali, yung kain ko, breakfast, lunch, dinner, isang kainan na yan, pero maramihan. Tapos nag-i-snack-snack na lang ako. Or minsan cup of tea, mga 8 o'clock, mga ganyan. Pero hindi na talaga ako nag-ano. Hindi na ako nagdi-dinner. Kasi pag nakita nyo lang yung mga vlog ko, grabe ako kumain ng rice. So isang kainan ko lang yun. Balance ba? Balance. So ito yung paborito kong snack. Pero hindi ko rin to binibili lagi. Kasi kapag alam ko, andyan lang siya, kain naman ako ng kain, which is really bad. Going out for lunch guys. Grabe na tong roadworks. Lagi na lang roadworks. Supposed to drive but ang daming roadworks. So matatagalan ako. So I'm going to take a train. And hi guys, it's Wednesday by the way. Nahuli yung intro natin. Going to meet my friends for brunch. Right. Catch you in a bit in a restaurant. My train, by the way, is 10:36. Mga 3 minutes na lang. Finally, I'm here. Upo muna tayo dito guys. I think I am too early. As 11:30 and then the restaurant open at 12. So I'm just sitting here outside until the restaurant is open. So nandito pala ako sa, saan ba to? Kalimutan ko na. This building. Yeah. Dito kami magdi-dinner guys. Soundbites. Dito. And usual, dito kami laging umupo. So we are here at Soundbites. Medyo tayo ngayon. Medyo mukhang tao tayo. So anyway, hinihintay ko na lang sila. Maaga ako. You know Terry? Terry Patterson? We're always here.
Always come here.
Yeah, always come
You got
here.
the photo? I can see photo.
Alright, okay, I'll show you.
Ayan na.
Ah, wow. That's our lunch. Oh my God, I'm excited.
Yellow.
I want the soup only, but rice separate. Yeah.
谁的问I order？ 哦，谁住的？这个吗？
Hi, John.
两桌的。
Hi.
明天没上班，明天没上班。
哎，为什么？
他现在休息。
啊，OK，
可能会短久一点。喂，OK 了。
Nana, kain, kain. Ito pala guys, ano to, fish head, fried fish head.
Nasa ano na siya?
So, ayan, di ba? Oh. Ito kami sa South Wines.
Mango salad.
Mango salad.
Yung 11.
Ito yung sa bawang. Bakit may isda ka pa rin, te?
Nilagay ko.
Nilagay mo.
Para maglambot.
Yung isda guys, comes with the soup. Kahit sa niwalay lang namin.
Parang sinigang.
Yung sa akin, parating pa lang.
Here's your rice.
Can I have this?
Oh, yung sauce mo. You don't want your sauce?
Oh, okay.
May mayo na to. Ako siyang anchovy for sauce. Gamayon.
那个三包是吗？不会很辣，你要很辣。
哦，不要辣。
我以为你要很辣。
不要，不要。
Okay, andito pala.
Eh, may kuyaw ba din sila?
Ito yung gamitin.
Kuyaw, may
Andito na
Kasi
yung
may kuyaw din.
rice with rice.
See, but a little bit. Gusto mo spice a little bit? Masarap si isda, oh. Parang mag-uong na tamis. Mag-uong na matamis, oh.
Ako magkamay, te.
Magkamay ka eh. Wala naman nakatingin. Mag-alcohol ka muna. Ay, may alcohol ka, wala. Sabi mo, mahal. Sabi mo, sarap. Magamay siya. Sabi ko, di magamay siya. Sarap. Sabi mo, sarap.
Sarap. Ay, si...
O, dali na, dali na.
Ulitin mo yung sarap.
Sobrang busog ko. Busog na busog. Sarap ng ulam namin. So, I'm on my way home. Nauna na ako kila Terry kasi magsasubway pa ako. Tapos, train to Mugay. And then, natatay ako. Gusto ko tumae sa bahay. Good morning guys! Maaga tayo today. And again, yung allergy ko decided to attack me this morning. Yeah, I know. I think I forgot to have my medicine yesterday. That's probably why. And I make sure I have to take my medicine today. I'm going out to Mark Spencer, the usual. I'm here because I was fixing what I need. I think I need to stock up. Nobody ate this one. This one I like. So, ito yung ano namin, basket snack. Husband at the moment try to avoid chocolate for a week now. Kasi after holiday, nag-gain siya ng a little bit belly. Pagsamantala lang naman yan, babalik din yan siya sa snack niya. So, ang masama kasi kapag marami kang stock up, you know that it's there. Kaya pabalik-balik ka dito. So, it's better leave it like this, no? Para walang balik-balikan. Yung mga kapitbahay ko guys, tulog pa. Normally, hindi naman talaga ako nagigising ng ganito kaaga eh. Yung nagpapagising lang sa akin, yung allergy ko. Kaya, what's the point, no? So, diretso na tayo mag-grocery. And also, gusto ko rin maaga kasi parang walang masyadong tao sa shop. Hiya! Good morning! Kapitbahay namin yun guys. Alam nyo ba guys, yung mga kapitbahay namin dito, mostly are doctors. Yan, yayaman nila. Okay naman sila, mababait din. Pero may isa kaming kapitbahay na talagang very close sa amin, pero lumipat na sila. Although, keep in touch pa rin kami. In fact, we just had a holiday together in Italy. For the longest time na nandito ako sa Scotland for 2 decades, isa lang yung nakasundo na. Siguro dahil Asian ba, nangangapit bahay. Whereas dito kasi sa UK, mind your own business. Walang kapit-kapit bahay, yung magchismisan, magmaritisan. Yung hindi ka makapaghingi ng sabaw dito guys. Pero yung kapitbahay namin yun, yung kasama namin sa holiday, nangangapit bahay kami, pati yung asawa ko. Inuman, tapos pinaglulutuan ko din sila. Yung ganun ba, yung parang sa Pinas. Anyway guys, the reason why I'm early as well, kasi pipick up ako ng tiger bread, yung paborito kong tinapay. At saka pang dinner na rin mamaya. Yan yung ano natin buhay dito. Buhay ng misis sa Scotland. Tagaluto. Yan yung happiness ng family ko. Lutuan mo lang sila para na silang halo ng lottery.
Morning.
Hi there, good morning. Do you have tiger bread?
Tiger bread.
Yes.
Size.
Yes, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. I help self-checkout. And then kapag errors, tatawag ka na naman ng assistant. I don't know why they do that. Right guys, nakarating na tayo from Marks Spencer. Pasensya na sa kalat yung bunso ko kasi nagluluto siya ng breakfast bago siya sa trabaho. Alam nyo naman, nandito si Mami. Si Mami ang tagaligpit. Ito yung tiger bread na sinasabi ko. Tapos, oh no! No! Nag-pick up ako ng itong pastry with raspberry na lata na siya guys. Kalimutan ko kasi dapat dinadala ko siya sa having this one for breakfast for a change. Walang healthy today. Nagsinga muna ako. Grabe. And the tender steamed broccoli. I prefer this one than broccoli. Mas masarap to at saka mas matamis yung lasa niya. Salmon. Kasi yung anak ko, naputol yung pa-hole natin kasi wala na akong storage sa iPhone. Kasi yung vlogging camera ko guys, hiniram ng anak kong babae. Nasa Thailand siya ngayon. Tapos, yung SIM ko naman for storing my videos, yung bang USB na i-attach mo sa iPhone para i-store mo yung mga files mo. Andun din, hiniram niya. So, I've been using my iPhone for vlogging for, I think, over a week now. And then, I keep on deleting for storage. Kasi habang nagbibideo ako, namamatay na lang siyang kusa kasi sabi, your storage is full daw. Tupiinin sa likod. Ngayon, maghuhugas tayo ng kalat. Ayan See that?